Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got from SEPOX Security, and it should be a lock, since that's what I ordered. So these are it here. It comes with two little locks, and these are great for like luggage or any type of little security that you need a little bit for. I mean, granted, if somebody really wants to get in, they would cut these, so it's kind of like, you know, keeping honest people honest. But let's see what we got here on some of these instructions, if there's anything here. So it looks like there is a button to do, but let's see how we do this. Let's see. Okay. The initial password is 0000. So let's pronounce to 0 0 0 0, and then it's not going. Oh, maybe it's the other side. 210 210 0 0 0 0. Ah, there we go. So it was that side. So the way it works is you set your combination, which is 0 0 0 0, and then you push this button down here, and it comes out there. So you can use it for just, you know, little stuff, you know, luggage, or, you know, just connecting your laptop somehow, you know, like through some loop or something, or, you know, some wires, whatever you want to do. I guess you could run a little wire through there to do something if you needed to as well. That'll really keep it, because you can't push the button down with it in there. But it's kind of cool. So nice little, easy to use little lock here. And if you need some instructions for it, you can see them right there. That's what the instructions look like. So it's kind of tell you to, you know, you can reset them. So when I've got it set like that, I can push something in there and then change my combination. So cool little locks here. So you get a couple of them in the little package. I like them. Thumbs up.